Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your Tonkeeper wallet using your recovery phrase. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've got my Tonkeeper wallet here. So if you can't log in, you've forgotten your password and you need to recover it, you would have put down your recovery phrase. You would have written that down somewhere. And your recovery phrase looks kind of like this. Just let me log into my account here. Alright, so your recovery phrase will look something like this. So I'm going to copy this. I've just taken a photo of this. So what I'll do, I'll log out of my Tonkeeper and I'll show you how to log in without using your password. Alright, so I've logged out. So now I'm going to click on get started. And now I want to click on existing wallet. And now from here, enter your recovery phrase. So what I need to do, or what you need to do, is put down to 1 to 24 words in all these boxes. So we'll start off with absorb, number 1. And just keep going down the list like so. So I'll pause this video and I'll get back to you once I've put all these words in. Alright, that's all been put in here. So from here, click on continue. So now choose wallets. So now this is the one. So I'm going to click on continue. Now I'm going to create a new password. Click continue. Click saving. There you go. So we've set up my account, and that's how to recover your Tonkeeper wallet. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.